Hi everyone, so I want to show you these two parcels I have got from Tania's Felty, and I'll put the links in the description below for you to be able to shop from them. So the first order is the one that I brought for myself, and the second one is one of the Oh My God gift box that was kindly gifted to me by Talullah Bell, which is one of the members of my bow group. I can't say if any of you ever send me anything like this, I can't say how much I appreciate you all and how thankful I am all for your gifts, because obviously I don't do it for things like this. I do it because I have an addictive personality and love buying things, as you all know from all of these kind of open box tutorials, and there's even more that I don't show you because you'd be quite concerned about my shopping addiction. But yeah, there's lots and lots that I do and things like that. I just do it because I love it. I don't do it for gifts. I don't do it for freebies. I don't ask them from the suppliers. I don't ask them from my members. But I do appreciate anything you ever send me. So thank you so much for that. And this is the first box that I brought for myself, and this is just general items that I got. And again, I'm very late on my Halloween because, like I said, it's the 3rd of October and I am only just getting bits and pieces for my Halloween tutorials, which I should have really uploaded about a month and a half ago, but it's me. So I have already cut mine because I did a little cutting session, but these do actually come, they're not cut originally. I've done all that myself. And I've got these really cute fox ears. Now, the best thing about these ones is you can either attach them to clips. I have got the wrong size here, so I do apologise. You can either attach them to clips like this, so you've got the ears like this, and you can have one clip one side, one clip the other way. Or alternatively, you can pop them, and this is a headband that I had. I'm not sure if it's the right colour, but I've ordered some different ones to see if I can get a better match. I think I should have gone with just pure orange. This one's a bit too yellowy. Or you can make them into little headbands, because they're sliders. That's what they're called. They're ear sliders, or like ears, and you can put like little flowers or a bow across the front, etc., and make cute little fox ears headbands or clips, depending on what you prefer. So I've got 3 sets of those, and I'm looking forward to making a tutorial with them. And then I got these ones, and you can use these as, that's where I was doing my cutting, you can use these as bow tails or like an embellishment in front of the bow, depending on what you prefer, but they're really cute for Christmas. And then I got these 2 crowns that you can put, I was thinking of doing some more over the top bows, so I got these 2 crowns that I could put like behind the bows once I've made like the main bow and the tails. So I got those. I got this super cute, like, can you see the like little shiny little ghost with the hat, witch's hat. And I got some more Halloween stuff. And then I was sensible and got some non-Halloween stuff that makes more sense for the future. I got these super cute like holographic bat wings in the silver. And then I got the black versions, and again these are like shiny, like vinyl-y. And then I got these cute little ghost sketch charms. How pretty are those? So I got them. And then I got some padded denim hearts. You can see in there. I got these 2 super cute, these like 3D castles. Most of this was in sale as well, so I got really good deals on everything. But how cute are those? Like all 3D and everything, and they've got like the really nice flat back. So I've got that, the purple and the blue. I think I've got some matching ribbon somewhere, but I'll have to have a look and find that out. And then I've got these like sparkly, just turn that out of the way. As you can see, she's passed them all nicely for me. Put them all, excuse my hair, I molt everywhere, I'm like a dog. I'm sometimes surprised to still have hair on my head with the amount that I find everywhere else. But it's this super sparkly like tape, and I thought it'd look really pretty, like glued to a headband. And I've got some new glue, so I've been testing. I've got this new one, it's Gorilla Contact Glue, and I'm thinking it'll be an alternative version. You know how like all the Portuguese ladies use that like T6000 and glues like that? I'm thinking it might be a good alternative to that. So they use like the E6000 or the T600, etc., things like that. T800, I think it is. So I've got this one, and I've got this Gorilla Contact one, and the Gorilla Contact one seems to be as strong as the T and 6000, and it's completely clear, and it gives you the same sort of setting times. It just takes like 24 hours to fully set. So I've been trying that out, so I'm thinking of making a headband and gluing this on, and then seeing what I can make with that and how sparkly and pretty I can make them all. So that was my ideas with them, and I got all the different colours. Like I said, lack of impulse control. Let's pop them there. And then this is the Tania's Felty Christmas Oh My God box, and she does these monthly. She does these just the embellishments and the embroidery items herself each month, and I think every second month she works with a company called Slothy Prints, and they do like stationery and business cards that match the box every second month, but don't quote me on that. The information will be all on the website, and I'll put the link to the VIP group as well for you. But look how pretty this packaging is, because it was done as a gift for me. So as you can see, I've opened it, and I've also cut all of these out as well. I had like a little mini cutting session. So I got these super cute Daddy's Pudding and Mummy's Pudding embroidery ones. I got this super cute like Christmas unicorn carriage, and again, you could put a bow on top of this, you could put it on top of a bow and use it as like the center, like as a focal point, etc., or you can have it behind and have the bow on top, depending on whether or not you make glitter or ribbon, things like that. I got this super cute like Christmas wreath. I did cut the middle out as well, as you can see, like a little Christmas gift card tag, and this says Santa's key, and in here there's also an actual little key charm that you can put together with that, like you do a little tie and there. And then how pretty are these deer ears? And again, these would be perfect behind a bow, or even if we wanted to, you could potentially separate them and do like some little deer ears or something like that. So you've got quite a few different options. These are another slider, and again, you can do these when I can get it to open. You can do these on the headband. So you could do 2 snowflakes on a headband like this, or like I said, you can use the clip. You would need a longer one than what that I've currently got, but you would use a clip, and you can do like little clips and have them like stand up 3D on the child's head. Like I said, you can add some embellishments, or you could just do them on their own depending on what you do. You can cut these down as well. I just used it in case I was going to use it as a headband slider, but there you go. So they're really cute. And then as you can see here, this is one I was looking forward to as well. So you've got this super sparkly pretty robin, and this is a Felty friend, so it comes with this like little fluffy tummy bit that you can make, and what you're meant to do is glue those on there and then glue your wing on top, and then you get like a 3D effect little cute Christmas robin like that. So that's so pretty. And then there was this Santa's belt embroidery item, this super pretty snow globe, like Christmas tree snow globe, and then there was a couple of like cute little embellishments. So there was this one with the bell and like a little Christmas bow. This is obviously the tie for the Santa's key and tag. And then there was a couple of cute embellishments in there as well. So I'll just open them and show you all, because there's a few different ones. And there was a little bell, well, a couple of little bells. And they actually make noise, as you can hear. And I got this super cute little penguin and a little snowflake charm. And then there's some like softer, like they're almost like foamy, sparkly snowflakes. A 2002 charm for New Year's. A nice star slider where you put your ribbon over the top of that, or your like little bit of glitter to do your middle. And then a little holly embellishment. So that's all of the Oh My God box. Again, don't quote me. I will put the price up for the box for each month, but you do get more than what you pay for. It's considerably more than the cost of the box, so it's always a good deal. And like I said, you get lots of products that aren't launched yet as well, so it's normally a great way if you want to see products before everyone else gets them. It's a good way to get hold of them first. So there you go, there's my 2 boxes from Tania's Felties, and thanks for watching everyone. Bye.